Hello there, earners. Good morning. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be helping you on your next steps after signing up on your Etoro accounts. So this will serve as a guide for you on your trading or investing journey on the global stock market. So if you're ready, give it a thumbs up and let's proceed. So for our presentation outline, we will be talking on three main points lang. So this will be a short but very comprehensive video on your way forward. So first, we will have a recap on how powerful your account is, how you can maximize trading global stock market into profit streams. Second, we will be helping you on how to verify your eToro accounts. So we will be featuring the step-by-step process along with the documentary requirements needed to fast-track your account verification. And lastly, we will be teaching you on how to deposit. It will be a live demonstration on the payment methods, and we will give you some insights on how you can safeguard your assets in eToro. Okay, so quick recap, eToro is a trading platform and it is also an investing platform which is available on desktop and mobile versions. So it is the world's leading social trading platform and trusted by millions of users. So it allows us to trade and invest in multi-assets. Multi-assets meaning stocks, index, gold, commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, forex, and many more. That is available with our eToro accounts. See how powerful it is? Next, in trading with eToro, it allows us to trade global stock markets, right? But did you know that if we trade global stock markets, preferably US stocks, kasi doon naman yung maraming volatility, we don't have to incur charges. The broker does not take commissions from us in our profits. So they only benefit from us through our spread o yung tinatawag natin the difference between the bid and ask price. Gaya lang nung nasa bangko, di ba? Mas mahal yung dolyar, the price niya is buying, selling, the difference, that's the spread. So in the screen, you can see lots of stocks, no? We have their Apple, Amazon, Nike, Twitter, Walt Disney, Coca-Cola, Sony, Google, Pfizer, Pepsi-Cola, and many more. Another thing about the broker is, eto, it doesn't have a limit on your trading volume. Second, it allows us to buy at fractional shares, meaning menudo. So for example, the price of a stock is $2,000. Approximately for us in the Philippines, nasa 100,000 na yan. So medyo mahal-mahal. Pero since pwede na tayong bumili ng menudo with our eToro accounts, so it will be more affordable to us, yet we can still enjoy the same percentage increase that it will have in the future. Second, third pala, is we can have notifications on volatility and market events. So that's one of our perks. So the very important thing for me here is the profits that I make, it will be net profit. Wala nang tinatanggal ng commissions from the broker. So my gains, it's for me. Another thing about the eToro platform is we can actually do copy trading. Especially if you are new in the market, if you are a newbie and you are afraid to venture into trading manually, meaning on your own, you can actually copy some of the best investors and popular investors out in the platform. And the good thing about it is you can actually sort it according to your risk preference. Meaning, if you are conservative, you'd look for people who have a risk score of 2 only. Now, if you are more aggressive, you might find those in the level of 7 up to 8 conducive for your risk appetite. So yun, you can actually see their backgrounds, you can see their historical performance, and you can judge them accordingly. So no need for fund managers, no need for mutual fund managers. You got these people in front of you whom you can select. So it won't be the company you will be choosing, but it's your call. Yun. And how much does this copy trading cost you? It is for free. So we don't pay those copy traders, we don't pay those copy investors. Etoro pays them. So it's very different sa what we were accustomed to, 'di ba? Kasi we were accustomed to na in our mutual funds, a portion of it is being charged as administrative or service fee for those who are actually managing our accounts. But this time, with this broker that we are using, we no longer have to pay for those fees. So eToro only makes money on the spreads that we have when we trade. But they don't take commissions out of our profits, and they don't take commissions also yung mga kinakopy natin ng mga investors from our profits as well. So our profit goes really back to us. And eto naman, if you are not into copy trading or copy investing on people, you can actually invest in a portfolio. Ano ba yung portfolio? Think of it as a parang DVD collection. So, sa DVD collection, may mga favorite movies ka, di ba? Yung bawat movie na nun, it represents a financial instrument or financial asset. Pwede siya maging stock, pwede siya maging cryptocurrency, all according sa preference mo. So the thing here is, medyo may kamahalan if you do it, if you buy it on a piece-by-piece basis. So what you prefer is to buy it in a DVD collection, meaning yung 32 in 1, 64 in 1, 16 in 1. So somehow, naka-diversify na yung portfolio mo. And that is the perks of investing in yung tinatawag natin na copy portfolios. Like you can see in the screen here, yung crypto na copy portfolio na yan, if you want to invest dyan, you just simply click invest. Tapos automatically, it will copy all the trades on that portfolio. And you can see actually the historical performance of that copy portfolio. For the last 12 months, it has generated an increase of 1,021%. Now, if you are not into cryptocurrency naman, you are into those tech stocks, meaning yung Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Tesla, and the likes. You can actually click itong big tech. It's another copy portfolio intended for technological stocks. So you can see here that the risk level there is 6. And in the past 12 months, it has generated 72.52%. So medyo malaki talaga siya. Compared to our usual, no, traditional na mga investment products na very sikat sa market right now na, ayun, we're good at 8%, we're good at 12%, we're good at 15%. Actually, if you invest in copy portfolios who had good recent performances, then you have actually a higher probability of earning that much as well. So yun, that's one of the powerful things that we can do with our respective eToro accounts. Now that we have covered yung mga pwede natin gawin sa ating eToro accounts, the next step is to actually step in dun na sa verification. So the process goes like this. 3 key points lang. First thing is we have to upload our proof of identity. And what are these proof of identity? So we have the option to choose from these documents. So we could upload our passport. Per experience, it is the fastest means to verify your account. Fast track na fast track yan. So you have your passport, or if you don't have your passport, you can use your driver's license. It's also a way to fast track your verification. But if you don't have your passport and driver's license, you can use any issued government ID. Okay? So, pwede yung UMID mo, pwede yung sa BIR mo, pwede yung sa ano pa, SSS, PhilHealth, that will do. Second, after uploading the first document that needs to be validated is you have to upload another document that will serve as your proof of address. Now, take this into account. Dapat parehas yung details na nakalagay dun sa previously uploaded ID mo and this next ID. So dapat may confluence. Nag-conform sila para ma-ensure that you will have no problems if you want to withdraw your money, withdraw your profit. Okay? Kaya diba, you will generate money in the future. Just don't get into yung mga quick rich na schemes. If you want to invest, invest in a steady manner. Warren Buffett did not get rich because of high returns. Yung annual returns ni Warren Buffett is only 22%. But the key here is he compounded it. He started at a really young age. In fact, Warren Buffett started when he was 10 years old. So yun, tips lang. Right. So ano ba yung mga documents na pwedeng i-upload natin as proof of address? We have bank statement. Pwede naman credit card statement. If we don't have those, we can use our phone bills or internet bills. We can actually also use utility bills like water, electricity, and other miscellaneous stuff. So if you want more details about this, I will link it in the comment section. Oh no, hindi sa comment section, dun sa description ng video na to. After uploading your proof of identity and proof of address, we will be going into the boring part. It's gonna be the waiting game. We will just wait for the verification notification, which will be sent to our email. Now, how do we know when our accounts are verified? Apart from the notification email, or bali pala, apart from the email notification, is we will be able to know that our accounts are verified if it has a green tick next to the username of the user profile. So as a visual aid, I will feature myself here. Yun. Kita yan yung encircled na red and the check mark. That's the green tick next to my username. So if your account has already that green tick mark there, that means you are already verified and you are eligible to deposit and withdraw and actually start trading with your real money. But if you are a newbie, no, if this is something new to you, I strongly encourage that you explore the virtual trading. On your account, just click there yung real, tapos switch to virtual, and you will have there a play money worth of $100,000, so you can actually practice what's really happening in the stock market real time. Yun. So if you have questions about that, we might be focusing that on our next video, but it won't be covered in this one. So message nyo lang ako so I can help you. So that's it for our way forward sa verifying our accounts. Now, tab. Let's go to the actual depositing. So time check, we've already consumed around 14 minutes. So that's a short video lang. And let's do it. So eto, in depositing my account, so I will hide this floating panel here. Uy, sa Zoom. Hide. Ayun. So I will share my screen. Konti lang. Stop share. Tapos share screen. Okay. Yun, you can see this, right? So dito, you can see my username. Tapos this is what I'm referring to. Doon sa switching sa real at virtual. Just click this here and switch it anytime. Now, how do we deposit our funds? It's so easy and it's so convenient. So just click here, yung deposit funds. Tapos, click here the type of currency that you will be using. Is it euro, US dollar, Great Britain pound, or Australian dollar? It's up to you. Depende kung asan ka. But for easier sake, easier conversion sa atin, let's use the dollars. So if I want to deposit for the first time in my eToro account, the minimum deposit is $200. So I will just key in here 200. That's approximately 10,000 pesos only. Tapos, I can actually buy 4 stocks na because the minimum amount to invest in stock is actually only $50 or approximately 2,500 pesos. So in terms of payment method naman, I can choose PayPal, I can use Skrill, bank transfer, or Neteller. But for now, yung online bank transfer has already been declined by eToro as it is leveling up their payment methods. So you can use your debit card, then just input the details along with your CVV, then just click deposit. It's that easy. Now, here's something that you should be reminded of when you are investing or putting money for the first time. Thing is, you will not be incurring any deposit fee. eToro will be taking care of that. Tapos, pag withdrawal naman, I think the minimum withdrawal is $50. Tapos, the withdrawal fee is only $5. So, that's just approximately 250 pesos. Tapos, the thing that you have to bear in mind is this. Kung anong means ng pag-deposit mo, automatic dun din yung withdrawal mo. So, bear that in mind, ha? So, kung gamit mo is your BPA account as your means of depositing, dun din papasok yung pera mo if you withdraw your profits. Okay, another thing. A tip that I use to safeguard my money is I use yung digital wallets which allows me to have a virtual card. So I use my Paymaya in my online transactions primarily to safeguard me from scams, from bogus transactions, from mga phishings and other online hacks. Kasi we don't know how the technology will develop, how smart the hackers will be on the upcoming time. So at least I am assured that and should anything bad happen to me, the only amount that they will be getting is the amount on my Paymaya card, not my primary ATM. So kung saan yung most of my money is. So it will only be limited sa debit card ko na Paymaya. So that's it for our video. I hope na nakatulong sa'yo. Tapos, if you like it and if you have many questions, I can actually help you. Just comment help in our comment section. Then I'll be messaging you and help you by sending you some guides to further enhance your experience. So that's it and happy viewing. Stay safe. Ciao.